I think it might be better if you hold the camera and I just talk through it, babe. This is weird. I don't want to do it silent. Hi guys, so we are in the house and we are getting ready to do the tour, but not all the furniture is here, but some of the furniture is here. So we are going to,
Oh, look at that.
hey. So we are going to, the dilemma here is our bed frame, our king size bed frame may not fit up the stairs. So.
Who does this? It's gonna fit.
It's gonna fit, babe?
It's gonna fit.
Okay.
He just has to tell us it may not, so we don't get mad at him.
Okay.
Because you know.
Here we are. Here's our couch. How you feel, babe?
Cold. It's 35 degrees out.
I know. Great news, guys. The couch, the headboard fit. What really helped was they were able to walk out to the balcony and push back the couch and put it up. I didn't want to record it. I was so nervous because I didn't want to make them nervous vlogging it, but it made it. I caught like right at the end when they put it in, but yay. So that's it. I'm gonna go get some boxes and start packing up my room. Our mattress will be here next Saturday, so, oh, and then I'm gonna do the house tour for you when the movers leave, okay? So yes, I'm so excited. So cute. Hey guys, so we are getting ready to do a house tour. We started one earlier, but there are some people here. So let's do it. You guys ready? All right, so you come in, and oh, you can close the door behind you. Hey, Jake. He's filming, guys. So you come in, and in here is just a hallway. Okay, I got lots of plans happening here. Good mudroom over here, and we got one of this one. This is nice. And then in here is the closet. Some little closet in here. Yes, there's car care things. And then we have the garage. Boom, boom, boom. Cars in there. Yes, 2-car garage. And then this is where all the magic's gonna happen, guys. This is where we're gonna create a lot of content. So, this is our office. We're gonna put, I'm thinking about changing these floors out, but it's gonna be a guest room / office. And yeah, and in this office we have a closet. And then the bathroom, this is the guest bathroom down here. Has a shower. Hey. Parts of the house. Actually, I think it's my favorite part of the house. And this is the entertainment living area. Oh. Yes. Want to talk about the couch? Okay. So we just got our couch. It's gonna be blue. Well, I keep saying it's gonna be blue, but it's here now. I'm so happy. It's like the perfect blue, and our theme is gonna be like a really rich, warm feel, but we're gonna use cool colors, so it's gonna be kind of opposite. See what I'm saying? So I'm excited about that. Come over to the kitchen. So obviously, this whole area is just completely open. So there's gonna be the dining room right here. Dining room's gonna go right here, and then it's gonna seat about 8, I believe. And then we're gonna have some bar stools right here. And then this is like the best part of the kitchen, which is the island. And I love this. This is a real deal island, guys. Put a person up here. Okay? I've sat up here. It's amazing. Then we have a double sink, dishwasher right here. It's gonna be my favorite part. This is gonna be my little cafe area. I'm gonna put my coffee maker. So that's on my list, guys. If anybody wants to get me a gift, I really want an espresso maker with a frother, okay? Next is the pantry. So pantry is pretty big. Really, really, really big. So that's a good size, really good size. And then, there you go. Guest bathroom, they're good with that. Your car. Oh, and of course, you guys have to see over here, which is our beautiful view. Look at this. Oh my gosh. And then there's more. I forgot that we also have a balcony into the construction area. Sorry guys, it's not on. So we have up here, this is where all the bedrooms are. So we have a linen closet for the normal people. I don't know why I said that. We have a laundry room. And so this is all gonna get redone, but laundry room, but we came with a washer and dryer, which was, we won with that. Really wanted to be move-in ready. And then let me show you our room first. So this is my bedroom. And we just got our bed. Haven't got the mattress yet. The mattress will be here next week. And I love it because, like, look. Is it taller than you? Yes, it's taller than you too. All right, show us the rest of the house, babe.
All right, the rest of the house. So we have over here, we have, okay, so this is supposed to be our closet. I have a feeling this is going to be Brittany's closet. Because we have this area right here.
Yes.
So she's taking this area.
Yes, I'm taking this whole
in theory,
square.
This is all in theory. And then over here is my area.
That is a big area, guys.
Something tells me this is going to be Brittany's area too.
No.
Bathroom.
Bathroom. Bathroom, double sink, adult counter height, shower area, and most important, where we'll be every morning, in here. And then it also has a, what's this called?
Linen closet.
Linen closet.
Yeah.
Yay! What else we got, babe?
All right. And next, this is Roman's room.
Roman's room.
And Roman got this view.
I know.
Wrong one.
He got the best view in the house.
But it's good. It's good for his imagination.
Yes, it is. And the good thing is, over here, what I like is there's a walkway. Let me go in this mirror. There's a walkway all the way to the park. There's a park right there, a pool over there, and a gym over there. So it's like a resort. It's like staying at a resort, which is really, really nice.
Tennis court.
And then we have Roman's bathroom, which I'm gonna be using his bath because I don't have a bathtub. So I may be using this one because I like to take baths. And then and I like it because they really, really did. This is an interior condo unit and it just has so much light. Look at this. I can film a video in any room and really be good. Good, babe?
Oh, Roman's closet.
Oh, yeah. There we go. Roman's closet.
And that is upstairs.
That is upstairs. That's the house. And this is where we come home to every day. It's so